grammar lesson for today. We're going to look at the question, do I use o or aho? And if I can use both of them, when do I use either or? Now this particular kupu o/aho is the equivalent of the English pronoun I. For example, if I'm saying I am eating, the word o or aho would be used in the equivalent is sentence in Te Reo Māori. But there's the question, do I use o or do I use aho? Now the best place to start to get your head around this idea and the decision of whether to use o or aho is in sentences where we're not just talking about one particular thing. For example, we might call these active sentences like I am eating, kei te kai aho. In that case, we can use o or aho, kei te kai o, kei te kai aho. The difference as to whether we should use o or aho really comes up in sentences where we've got a second part to the sentence. We've got some sort of connection